Let me start with something important. If you're watching this video, you're probably not new to AI. You've used ChatGPT or other AI tools. You already know AI can be powerful. But here's the real issue. Most people don't struggle with AI because it's weak. They struggle because AI is chaotic. You ask one question, get one answer. Ask the same thing again, get a different answer. Then you tweak prompts, rewrite instructions, change tone, fix outputs. And suddenly AI feels like more work than help. That's the exact problem AIDirectors claims to solve. So in this video, I'm giving you a fully honest AIDirectors review, what it actually does, who it's for, who should skip it, and whether it's really worth your time and money. No hype, no exaggeration, just clarity. Here's the truth most AI reviews won't tell you. AI tools are not designed for consistency. They're designed for conversation. That's fine if you're just chatting. But if you're creating content regularly, running marketing campaigns, managing business tasks, studying or researching seriously, conversation is not enough. You need structure, rules, repeatable behavior, predictable outputs. This is where most people hit a wall. AIDirectors is not just another AI chatbot. And it's not trying to replace ChatGPT. Think of it like this. ChatGPT equals a very smart employee. AIDirectors equals the manager that tells the employee exactly how to work. Instead of constantly typing, write this again. Change the tone. Follow these rules. Remember this context. You create AIDirectors. Each director has a role, rules, goals, behavior guidelines. Once set, the AI behaves the same way every time. Without a system, AI answers change. Quality fluctuates. You waste time fixing things. With a system, outputs are predictable. Workflows are faster. Mental load drops. This isn't about being smarter. It's about reducing friction. AIDirectors makes sense if you are a beginner overwhelmed by prompts, a marketer needing consistent content, a business owner wanting efficiency, a student or professional using AI daily. If you want AI to follow instructions instead of guessing, this fits. Let's be honest. This is not for you if you enjoy experimenting endlessly. You only use AI occasionally. You expect instant results without setup. This is a system tool, not a toy. Feature: AIDirectors. Benefit: AI behaves consistently. Use case: same quality emails, scripts, or summaries every time. Feature: reusable workflows. Benefit: no repeated prompting. Use case: weekly content, daily tasks, business operations. Feature: structured instructions. Benefit: less fixing, more output. Use case: marketing copy, research, documentation. No technical skills required. Just logic and clarity. Let's be realistic. First 7 days. You stop rewriting prompts. You understand the flow. You feel less friction. After 30 days. You trust the outputs. You reuse directors. You save noticeable time. After 90 days. AI becomes part of your workflow. You move faster with less effort. You rely on systems, not memory. No overnight miracles, just momentum. Can I do this without AIDirectors? Yes, but slower, manually, and inconsistently. Is this just another dashboard? No, it's a control layer, not a chat box. Is it beginner-friendly? Yes, it's built for non-technical users. Most AI tools focus on talking better, answering faster. AIDirectors focuses on working better, delivering consistently. That's the difference between using AI and managing AI. If AI feels messy, random, or exhausting, AIDirectors brings order. If you're serious about productivity and long-term use, it's worth a close look. You'll find the official AIDirectors link in the description and pinned comment.